हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में अनंत गणितम, जहाँ पर हम 11th एंड 12th के वेरियस टॉपिक्स पढ़ते हैं। एंड आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है इट इज़ कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस। जो इसके पहले जो वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया हुआ है वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस का पहला पार्ट है, वेयर आई हैड सॉल्व्ड एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.1 and there we had seen how we can solve any trigonometric equation. Now trigonometric has got lots of applications, बहुत जगह पे ये यूज़ होता है, नेविगेशन में इसका बहुत ही यूज़ है, तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए हम आज इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे एंड वी विल start with the second part of trigonometric function, that is solution of triangle. मतलब in triangle, if angles are A, B, C and sides are small a, small b, small c, then if अगर इनमें से कुछ वैल्यूज अगर आपको पता है तो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड अदर वैल्यूज। तो आज हमने पढ़ने हैं रूल्स। साइन रूल इज देयर, कोसाइन रूल इज देयर एंड प्रोजेक्शन रूल इज देयर। तो हियर आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द साइन रूल एंड जो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 12 की टेक्स्ट बुक है पेपर 1 की, उसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज is based on sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. So let's start with sine rule. So your sine rule says कि in a triangle ABC है, तो a small a upon sine a is equal to small b upon sine b equal to c upon sine c equal to 2r. तो बच्चों आपको पता है कैपिटल ABCs are nothing but these are angles. एंड एज फार एज ए बी सी स्मॉल ए बी सीज आर कंसर्न, जो ये स्मॉल ए बी सीज होते हैं ये साइड्स होते हैं, दे आर यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल। एंड आर जो है इट इज इक्वल टू 2r, आर जो है वो सर्कम रेडियस है ट्राइंगल की। तो इस थियरम को हम दो पार्ट्स में प्रूव करने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट में वी विल फोकस ओनली ऑन दिस पार्ट, ये पार्ट हम लेकर आएंगे फर्स्ट पार्ट में, एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में वी विल प्रूव दैट ईच रेशियो इज इक्वल टू 2r. Okay, so let's start with the proof. So here we need to consider a triangle. Let us consider triangle ABC. तो triangle ABC हम consider करेंगे such that, so this is a triangle. अब जो स्मॉल a होता है दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ BC, बिकॉज BC के ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स है A, तो दैट साइड का लेंथ इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल a. This AC length is small b and length of AB is small c. So we need to consider a triangle such that length of BC is A, length AC is B, and length, here's what the internet says, length AB is equal to C, like this. Now after considering this triangle, we will draw a perpendicular from vertex A to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. So like this we will draw a perpendicular so it is AD which is perpendicular to BC. Now students, we know that जो area होता है, area of a triangle ABC. Now in this triangle हमें base पता है, base is BC and height is AD. तो formula for area of triangle is 1/2 into base which is BC into height which is AD. Now let us consider this expression, keep it aside, consider it as star. Now बच्चों हमने क्या करना है, we will find AD and BC in terms of either small abc, capital ABC and combination of them. तो वो फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हम यहाँ पर स्टार में सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, राइट? अब ये AD पे अगर हमने फोकस करना हो तो लेट अस कंसीडर दिस ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल ABD. Not only ABD, you can consider ACD also, any one of the triangle. So now in triangle ABD, if you will observe this triangle, angle D is 90 degree. ये जो एंगल D है वो 90 डिग्री है. तो we can find sin B. sin B अगर हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, sin B, sin theta is always opposite upon hypotenuse. तो यहाँ पे sin B is opposite and opposite is AD upon hypotenuse which is AB. So AD upon this AB is represented by small c. So using this expression we can take sin B is equal to AD upon C. तो हम लिख सकते हैं AD is equal to C sin B. So this is what we got, that is AD in terms of C sin B. Okay, now substituting, we will substitute for BC and AD in स्टार. ये जो स्टार हमने पहले एक एक्सप्रेशन लाई थी यूजिंग एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, उसमें हम AD और BC के लिए सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट, we will get area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 times BC. BC is nothing but small a into AD is C sin B. Now 2 can be shifted on left hand side and we can write 2 times area is equal to AC sin B. So this expression we got, consider it as first one. Now similarly on the similar line we can prove 2 more expressions like this. So no need to prove them separately, just we will write similarly 2 times area. See here it is AC sin B. Now whenever sides are present over here, उसका उस साइड का एंगल नहीं होता है, जो साइड बच गई है वो वाला एंगल होता है. तो यार AC sin B, तो नेक्स्ट कैन बी AB sin C, and also we can prove that this area 2 times of area, यहाँ पर AC AB is covered. Now next can be BC sin A. Consider this as second and next one as third. Now if you will observe these 3 expressions, then left hand sides are equal. Left hand sides जो है वो equal है. So we can equate right hand sides. So from first, second and third, what we can write is AC sin B is equal to AB sin C is equal to BC sin A. Now students, ऑलमोस्ट अभी हमें जो प्रूव करना है हम उसी की तरफ है. जस्ट टू गेट द फाइनल वन, यहाँ पर देखिए सिर्फ A B C है and here we have AC sin B. So if we will divide throughout by ABC, we can get that thing. So dividing throughout by ABC. So let's divide each term by ABC. So upon ABC, next AB sin C upon ABC equal to next BC sin A upon ABC. इस तरह से we can cancel AC, then we can cancel AB and BC from numerator and denominator. तो finally हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, sin B upon B equal to sin C upon C equal to sin A upon A. Now students, order doesn't matter, whether you write sin B by B equal to sin C by C equal to sin A by A, or this can be rewritten as starting with sin A by A equal to sin B by B equal to sin C by C. Both are one and same thing. Now, the form which we want is, in that one, A, B, C's are in numerator. So, we have one rule which says, that is called invertendo, कि if A by B is equal to C by D, then we can write B by A equal to D by C. मतलब हम इनका inverse ले सकते हैं. Inverses are also equal. So, what we can write? A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C. This is from invertendo. So first part of the rule is proved, that is these three terms are equal. In second part we will prove that each ratio is equal to 2r. Now let's continue with the second part जहाँ पर हमने prove करना है कि each ratio is equal to 2r. So in second part we will prove that each ratio is equal to 2r. So students, now r in this case is the circumradius of triangle ABC, right? So circumradius of triangle ABC मतलब अभी triangle के case में तो radius is not that much applicable, but in case of circumradius का मतलब है if there is a circumcircle for a triangle, मतलब triangle के लिए जो circumcircle होगा उसकी radius is called circumradius of the triangle. Okay, तो circumradius is the radius of a circumcircle. Circumcircle का मतलब क्या है? जो triangle के बाहर draw होता है and each vertex of a triangle is on that circle. मतलब it is something like this. If this is a circumcircle, then like this triangle is there, A, B, C. This is called circumcircle of this triangle, and radius of this circle is called circumradius of triangle ABC. So here in this case we need to draw, let us draw circumcircle for triangle ABC with diameter. We'll draw circle with diameter AP. So AP is the diameter. So you know that जो diameter होता है, that is the longest chord and it passes through the center of a circle. So AP will be somewhat like this, AP, and your R. Now diameter is AP and radius is capital R. So we can write diameter equal to 2 times radius, which is 2r. Now after drawing this circumcircle for triangle ABC, let us join this PC. Right? Now if you will observe this AP and angle ACP, this angle ACP is subtended by diameter AP. This angle is subtended by diameter AP. Now since angle subtended by diameter is 90 डिग्री, मतलब ये जो डायमीटर है AP, ये यहाँ पर एक एंगल बना रहा है सर्कल पर, which is ACP. So according to one of theorem from 10th standard, this angle will be 90 degree. मतलब ये जो एंगल है आपका ACP, ये होगा 90 डिग्री. ये 90 डिग्री एंगल है. Now after this, if you will observe angle ABC, this angle, and angle APC, this one, ये दो angles आप देखो, these two angles are inscribed by same arc. ये जो angle ABC है, it is inscribed by arc AC. Not only ABC but APC is also inscribed by arc AC. and we know that angles inscribed by same arc are always equal. So since angle ABC and angle APC are inscribed by same arc, that arc is AC, therefore their measures are equal. तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि angle ABC is equal to angle APC. So two things we are using here. First is that angle subtended by diameter is 90 degree. Due to this reason angle ACP is 90 degree. And then angle ABC, मतलब दो angles are inscribed by same arc, that is why their measures are equal. So these two things are important over here. Now since angle ABC is equal to angle APC, so यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं कि if angles are equal, so sine B will be equal to sine P. Sine B is equal to sine P. This is the angle. So their sines are also equal. Now after this, you just take this triangle APC. APC triangle में अगर आपको sin P find out करना है तो sin P होता है opposite which is AC. AC is the opposite upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse क्या है? 90 डिग्री के सामने वाली साइड which is AP. AC upon AP. हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Now we know that AC, length of AC is represented by small b, length of AB is represented by small c, and length of BC is represented by small a. तो हम ये notations use करने वाले हैं उसकी जगह. तो AC की जगह पे we can write small b upon AP is 2r. See, all the four terms are equal. So we can equate first with fourth, and what we can write is sine B is equal to B upon 2r. Now here we will shift the terms. We will take sine B on right hand side and 2r on left hand side. So this expression can be rewritten as B upon sine B is equal to 2r. Consider this as fourth expression because first, second, third हमने already use किया है. Now on similar lines, means similarly we can prove that A upon sine A is also equal to 2r. Consider this as fifth one, and B and A covered. So C upon sine C is also equal to 2r. This is sixth one. Now equate all three. So from fourth, fifth and sixth, you can observe that right hand sides are equal, तो left hand sides भी equal होंगे, and we will write it in a order starting with A. इस order में हम लिखते हैं A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C, and all three ratios are equal to 2r. So this is how we prove sine rule. First part में we just prove that these first three terms are equal, and in second part में हमने क्या prove किया कि each ratio is equal to 2r.